Hey guys, here is a quick look at the Condor Terrasaur. This is made in El Salvador in 1095 steel. The Terrasaur is a design by Joe Flowers, and he's had custom makers make the Terrasaur over the years, and then he's been designing knives and other tools for Condor for years now, and I'm glad to see this in a production version because the other custom ones were pretty hard to get your hands on. So this carries over a lot of those same design features, although it's got a more affordable polymer handle. It is hard, not rubberized. It's got texture on it for traction, but it's very comfortable in hand. I have extra large hands and I have plenty of real estate there. Basically, it's 4.5-inch blade, 4.5-inch handle. It's got a pommel for crushing things or hammering this through wood and whatnot, or tapping it through as you are batoning with it. So it's 1/8-inch thick steel. It's got nice squared edges for striking a fire steel or ferro rod, and it's very comfortable in all your grips. It's a fairly neutral grip design. It's got little bevels here which allow you to get your thumb down if you're going to do like chest lever or something like that. So it's great for that. Has a very nice, simple sheath. It's got a leather belt loop. This ring can pop off. I'm not going to do that right now because it takes a little effort to do that. But if you want to just have the sheath itself without the belt loop in a pack or something like that, the knife itself locks in there. You can feel that little click. It's got a little thumb ramp. I put this lanyard on here because it does help me remove the knife, but that's kind of my preferred way to do it. I just put my pinky through that lanyard to remove it, but you can still do it with just your pointer finger and middle finger and using that to lever it out of there. So it's a pretty deep sheath overall, so you don't have to worry about losing this whatsoever. It's got drain holes in the bottom in case you get water in there, and it's branded pretty nicely with the Condor tool and knife logo. So all in all, I like the kind of forged look here on the flats of the blade. I think that's a nice touch. It came really, really sharp out of the box. I've used it plenty and it's still holding up very well. So I think the heat treat was done very well on this also. So I love Joe's designs, and this is probably one of my favorites, the Terrasaur. So I'd recommend this guy. I think it's a good, affordable competitor to, say, the Mora Garberg. If you're kind of in the market for something like that, I think this is a great option.